In a world that never stops moving, where everything feels rushed and restless, the human mind rarely finds true rest. We are constantly pulled by work, by worries, by endless streams of thoughts. Sometimes, even a single moment of silence feels like a luxury. Have you ever felt like your mind is a lake that's always disturbed? The more you try to calm it, the stronger the waves seem to rise. But there is a simple truth that many people overlook. Peace does not exist outside of you. It does not come from controlling the world, but from understanding and mastering your own mind. Thousands of years ago, Gautama Buddha revealed a path so simple, yet profoundly deep. The mind is the source of everything. When the mind is at peace, everything becomes peaceful. And the beautiful part is, the secrets to calm and clarity are not hidden somewhere far away. They are not mystical, and they do not require you to leave your life behind. They have always been there, within your breath, within each present moment, within the way you meet your life every single day. It's just that we rarely pause long enough to notice. Today, we open that door together. 3 simple, yet powerful keys that can transform your mind from a place of chaos into a space of calm and clarity. A place where you are no longer controlled by your thoughts, but begin to master them. A place where you can live with peace and clarity in every step you take. If you are ready, this journey begins right here. The first key is mindful breathing. It sounds simple, yet it is the deepest doorway that brings you back to yourself. The breath is not just life, it is the bridge between your body and your mind. When you begin to notice each inhale and each exhale, your mind naturally slows down. The chaos of thoughts begins to settle. Like a lake, when the wind is gone, the water becomes clear. Gautama Buddha once taught, when breathing in, I calm my body and mind. When breathing out, I smile. Just that, and you have returned to the present moment. And in the present moment, there is always peace. The second key is letting go of distractions. Modern life is like a never-ending current. Phones keep buzzing, messages keep appearing, one thought chasing another. Your mind is pulled in every direction. And when your mind is divided, you are no longer truly living. In any single moment, there is a story, simple yet profound. A disciple once asked Gautama Buddha, "How can I keep my mind from being distracted?" The Buddha handed him a bowl full of water and told him to walk through a crowded market without spilling a single drop. When he returned, the Buddha asked, "What did you see in the market?" The disciple replied, "I saw nothing except the water in my hands." That is the answer. When your focus is complete, distractions fade away on their own. You don't need to fight them. You only need to return to what you are doing. Whether it is eating a meal, doing your work, or being with someone you love, if you are fully there, you will discover a depth and clarity you have never felt before. The third key is embracing stillness. Many people believe that being busy means being productive. But the truth is, a constantly busy mind can never be truly clear. It is within moments of stillness that wisdom begins to arise. Gautama Buddha once said, "When the mind is still, the universe reveals itself." Stillness is not escaping life. It is giving your mind a pause, so thoughts can settle, emotions can soften, and you can see things as they truly are. You don't need anything grand. Just a few minutes of sitting quietly in the morning, a slow walk in nature, or simply sitting in silence, doing nothing at all. Gradually, you will begin to notice something. The problems that once felt overwhelming no longer seem so heavy. The thoughts that once exhausted you no longer control you. And within that stillness, something gentle begins to appear. That is clarity. These three keys are not distant or unreachable. Breath, focus, and stillness have always been within you. The moment you begin, right here, right now, your mind will slowly transform from a place of chaos into a space of peace and clarity. In the end, you will realize something very simple. Peace is not when life has no storms. It is when, in the middle of those storms, your mind remains steady. Gautama Buddha once reminded us, peace comes from within. Do not seek it outside. These three keys, breath, focus, and stillness, are not distant or unreachable. They are small things, but if you truly practice them every single day, they will transform the way you experience life. You will no longer be carried away by negative thoughts, no longer trapped in endless worry. Instead, you begin to live with more clarity, more lightness, and more depth. Try this. Just one slow breath today. Just one moment, returning to the present. Just once. Allow your mind to be still. And then you will see what you have been searching for was never far away. It has always been there, within you.